Understanding Office Alliances, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and practical topic that many of you might encounter in the workplace: office alliances. Whether you're just starting your career or looking to navigate your current job more effectively, understanding this concept is key. So, let's break it down together. Office alliances refer to the informal relationships and networks that employees form within the workplace. These alliances can be based on shared goals, interests, or even challenges within the office environment. They're not official partnerships but rather the natural connections that develop when people work closely together. Office alliances are crucial for several reasons. They can influence the workplace atmosphere, impact decision-making processes, and even affect your career progression. Being part of an alliance can provide support, information, and resources that might not be available through formal channels. However, it's important to navigate these alliances ethically and professionally. Forming office alliances starts with effective communication and networking. Showing genuine interest in your colleagues' work and well-being can lay the foundation for strong relationships. Here are some tips. Be open and approachable. Share your thoughts and be willing to listen to others. Find common ground. Look for shared interests or goals to build connections. Provide value. Offer your help and support when others need it, without expecting immediate returns. Navigating office alliances requires tact and discretion. It's important to maintain professionalism, keep your interactions ethical and professional, balance relationships, ensure you're not exclusively aligning with one group, as this could isolate you from others. Be inclusive. Try to bridge gaps between different alliances, promoting a positive and inclusive workplace environment. Office alliances can significantly influence workplace dynamics. Positive alliances can foster a collaborative and supportive atmosphere, whereas negative alliances might lead to conflicts or a divisive environment. Being aware of these dynamics can help you navigate the workplace more effectively, making informed decisions about your alliances. Understanding and navigating office alliances is a valuable skill in the professional world. By forming positive, ethical alliances, you can enhance your workplace experience and contribute to a healthier, more inclusive environment. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of office alliances and how you can approach them in your career. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.